Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to unbox this Tpms tire pressure monitor system. Those who do not know, this is used to monitor your wheels. That is the model, if it's a model. Okay, I bought this about 1,200 pesos, about it's about $20. Okay, as you can see, this is the main box. This is the main box with the main. This is where you see, you put it on the dashboard and then you can see your air pressure. Okay, this is the cheap one, and you have the lock. This is the lock. You put this into this, you see, right, left, front, right, 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 front, left. Comes with a charger, standard micro, just like an Android. Okay, the next video I will install it. I'll show you how. Okay, subscribe, press the like button, stay up to date. Goodbye.